global smart home market presents a significant business opportunity. In 2021, its value was $83.2 billion, and projections indicate a rise to $235.8 billion by 2028. This represents a compound annual growth rate of 15.4%. In the United States alone, the market is estimated to reach $48.6 billion by 2024. This growth is fueled by increasing demand for convenience, energy efficiency, and enhanced home security. Several avenues exist for generating revenue in this market. Firstly, installation and setup services are crucial. Home automation systems necessitate professional installation and configuration, which offers a valuable service for qualified contractors such as electricians and HVAC technicians. Secondly, equipment sales contribute significantly. Retailers, manufacturers, and contractors can profit from selling smart home devices. These include smart lighting, thermostats, and security systems. Thirdly, monthly subscriptions provide a recurring revenue stream. Many home automation systems offer these subscriptions for features like cloud storage, remote access, and advanced security monitoring. Fourthly, consulting and design services are in demand. Businesses can offer expert advice to customers, assisting them in planning and implementing home automation systems tailored to their specific needs. The target audience for home automation is diverse. It includes homeowners seeking to enhance comfort, convenience, and security. Businesses and organizations looking to automate lighting, HVAC, and other systems also form a significant part of the market. Real estate developers and property managers can add value to their properties by incorporating smart home technology. Several business models can be adopted in the home automation industry. One model involves operating as a licensed contractor. This focuses on providing installation and setup services. Another model is that of a retailer. This involves selling home automation devices through online or physical stores. A third model is that of a manufacturer. This entails designing and manufacturing smart home devices. A fourth model centers around providing subscription services. This offers monthly subscriptions for cloud storage and advanced features. A fifth model involves offering consulting and design services. This provides expert advice and guidance on home automation systems. Despite the opportunities, there are challenges. Technological complexity is a key factor. Home automation systems can be complex, necessitating specialized knowledge for installation and troubleshooting. The market is also highly competitive, with major players such as Amazon, Google, and Apple already offering their own smart home solutions. Customer education is also vital. Many homeowners may be unaware of the benefits of home automation or may need assistance understanding and using the devices. To succeed in the home automation market, it's essential to address these challenges and capitalize on the growth potential. Specialized knowledge, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service are key. It is important to understand the various components of a home automation system. These systems typically include a central hub or controller. This hub acts as the brain of the system, communicating with all the connected devices. Sensors play a crucial role in gathering data. These sensors can monitor temperature, light, motion, and other environmental factors. Actuators are responsible for carrying out commands. These can include turning lights on or off, adjusting thermostats, and locking doors. Communication protocols are essential for enabling devices to communicate with each other. Common protocols include Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Z-Wave. User interfaces allow users to interact with the system. These interfaces can include mobile apps, voice assistants, and wall-mounted touchscreens. When installing a home automation system, several factors must be considered. Firstly, it's important to assess the customer's needs and goals. What are they hoping to achieve with home automation? Secondly, it's necessary to choose the right devices for the job. Ensure that the devices are compatible with each other and with the central hub. Thirdly, proper installation is critical. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and ensure that all devices are properly connected. Fourthly, configuration is essential. Set up the system so that it meets the customer's specific needs. Fifthly, provide ongoing support. Be available to answer questions and troubleshoot problems. Safety is paramount when working with electrical systems. Always turn off the power before working on any wiring. Use appropriate safety equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. Follow all applicable electrical codes. To stay competitive in the home automation market, it's important to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. New devices and features are constantly being introduced. Attend industry conferences and read trade publications to stay informed. Consider specializing in a particular area of home automation, such as security systems or energy management. This can help you differentiate yourself from the competition. Building relationships with suppliers and manufacturers can also be beneficial. This can give you access to better pricing and support. Marketing your services is essential for attracting new customers. Create a website and social media presence. Network with other professionals in the industry. Offer free consultations to potential customers. By providing excellent service and building a strong reputation, you can establish a successful home automation business. Remember that customer satisfaction is key to long-term success. Go the extra mile to ensure that your customers are happy with their home automation systems. This will lead to repeat business and referrals. The legal aspects of running a home automation business should not be overlooked. Ensure that you have all the necessary licenses and permits. Understand the laws regarding data privacy and security. Have a solid contract in place with your customers. Insurance is also essential. Obtain liability insurance to protect yourself from potential lawsuits. Consider cybersecurity. Home automation systems can be vulnerable to hacking. Take steps to protect your customers' data and privacy. Use strong passwords and keep software up to date. Educate your customers about cybersecurity risks. Financial aspects of running a home automation business are also important. Create a budget and track your expenses. Price your services competitively, but also ensure that you are making a profit. Manage your cash flow carefully. Consider offering financing options to your customers. This can make it easier for them to afford home automation systems. Staying organized is crucial for success. Keep track of your appointments and projects. Use project management software to stay on top of tasks. Develop a system for managing customer information. Effective communication is essential. Respond to customer inquiries promptly. Keep your customers informed about the progress of their projects. Be clear and concise in your communication. Problem-solving skills are essential. Home automation systems can sometimes be complex and require troubleshooting. Be patient and persistent in your efforts to resolve problems. Don't be afraid to ask for help from other professionals. A continuous learning mindset is important. The home automation industry is constantly evolving. Stay up to date on the latest technologies and trends. Attend workshops and training sessions. Read industry publications. The ability to adapt to change is crucial for success. The smart home market is a dynamic and exciting space. By embracing innovation and providing excellent service, you can build a thriving business in this field. Remember to prioritize customer needs, stay informed about the latest advancements, and maintain a commitment to quality and safety. This market offers substantial opportunities for those who are willing to invest the time and effort. One key area to consider is energy management. Smart thermostats, lighting controls, and automated shades can help homeowners save money on their energy bills. Offer solutions that are both effective and user-friendly. Another growing area is home security. Smart locks, security cameras, and alarm systems can provide peace of mind to homeowners. Offer systems that are reliable and easy to use. Entertainment is also a popular application for home automation. Smart TV, audio systems, and media servers can enhance the home entertainment experience. Offer solutions that are seamless and intuitive. Accessibility is an important consideration for many homeowners. Home automation can make it easier for people with disabilities to control their homes. Offer solutions that are designed to meet their specific needs. Consider the integration of various devices. A well-integrated system is more convenient and user-friendly. Ensure that all devices work together seamlessly. The user experience is paramount. Make sure that the system is easy to use and understand. Provide clear and concise instructions. Customer support is crucial. Be available to answer questions and resolve problems. Provide ongoing support to your customers. The future of home automation is bright. As technology continues to evolve, even more exciting possibilities will emerge. Stay ahead of the curve and be prepared to embrace new innovations. By offering cutting-edge solutions and exceptional service, you can establish a successful and rewarding career in the home automation industry. Consider partnerships with other professionals. Collaborate with electricians, HVAC technicians, and interior designers. This can help you expand your reach and offer a more comprehensive service. Invest in the right tools and equipment. This will enable you to perform your work efficiently and effectively. Maintain a professional image. Dress professionally and be courteous to your customers. A positive attitude is essential. Be enthusiastic about your work and passionate about home automation. This will inspire confidence in your customers. The home automation market is constantly evolving. New devices and technologies are introduced regularly. To stay competitive, it is important to invest in continuous learning and professional development. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and online training courses. Read trade publications and follow industry experts on social media. By staying up to date on the latest trends, you can ensure that you are offering your customers the most innovative and effective solutions. One of the key trends in home automation is the increasing use of voice control. Voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant are becoming increasingly popular. Integrate voice control into your home automation systems to provide your customers with a hands-free experience. Another important trend is the increasing focus on energy efficiency. Smart thermostats, lighting controls, and automated shades can help homeowners save money on their energy bills. Offer solutions that are both effective and energy efficient. Home security is also a major concern for many homeowners. Smart locks, security cameras, and alarm systems can provide peace of mind. Offer security solutions that are reliable and easy to use. The Internet of Things, or IT, is playing an increasingly important role in home automation. IoT devices are connected to the Internet and can be controlled remotely. Integrate IoT devices into your home automation systems to provide your customers with greater control and convenience. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is also being used in home automation. AI can be used to personalize the home automation experience and to automate tasks. Incorporate AI into your home automation systems to provide your customers with a more intelligent and intuitive experience. The cloud is playing an increasingly important role in home automation. Cloud-based services can be used to store data, control devices, and provide remote access. Utilize cloud-based services to provide your customers with a more reliable and scalable home automation solution. Mobile devices are also essential for home automation. Mobile apps can be used to control devices, view data, and receive alerts. Develop mobile apps that are easy to use and that provide your customers with a seamless experience. Data privacy and security are major concerns for many homeowners. Take steps to protect your customers' data and privacy. Use strong passwords, encrypt data, and keep software up to date. Educate your customers about data privacy and security risks. The home automation market is constantly evolving. New challenges and opportunities are always emerging. By staying informed, adapting to change, and providing excellent service, you can build a successful and rewarding career in this dynamic industry. Remember that customer satisfaction is key to long-term success. Go the extra mile to ensure that your customers are happy with their home automation systems. This will lead to repeat business and referrals. Consider offering maintenance and support contracts to your customers. This can provide you with a recurring revenue stream and ensure that your customers' home automation systems are always working properly. Build strong relationships with your suppliers and manufacturers. This can give you access to better pricing, support, and training. Network with other professionals in the home automation industry. This can help you learn from others and find new business opportunities. Participate in industry events and trade shows. This is a great way to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. Give back to your community. Volunteer your time or donate to local charities. This can help you build a positive reputation and attract new customers. Be a leader in the home automation industry. Share your knowledge and expertise with others. Help to shape the future of home automation. The possibilities are endless. With hard work, dedication, and a passion for technology, you can achieve your goals and build a successful career in the home automation industry. The integration of renewable energy sources with home automation systems is a growing trend. Solar panels, wind turbines, and battery storage systems can be integrated with home automation systems to optimize energy consumption and reduce energy costs. Consider offering solutions that integrate renewable energy sources with home automation. Water conservation is also an important consideration. Smart irrigation systems and leak detection systems can help homeowners save water and reduce their water bills. Offer solutions that promote water conservation. Indoor air quality is another growing concern. Air purifiers, humidifiers, and dehumidifiers can be integrated with home automation systems to improve indoor air quality. Consider offering solutions that improve indoor air quality. Health and wellness are also becoming increasingly important. Smart scales, fitness trackers, and sleep monitors can be integrated with home automation systems to help homeowners track their health and wellness. Offer solutions that promote health and wellness. Aging in place is another important consideration. Home automation can make it easier for seniors to live independently and safely in their own homes. Offer solutions that support aging in place. Disaster preparedness is also a key concern. Home automation can help homeowners prepare for and respond to disasters such as hurricanes, floods, and fires. Offer solutions that enhance disaster preparedness. The connected kitchen is also a growing trend. Smart appliances, cooking sensors, and recipe apps can be integrated to provide a connected cooking experience.